pinapakinggan mo?
IFM.
Ano ulit?
IFM.
Ano?
IFM nga ni. IFM nga ni.
Oh, man! Narinig ko na yan!
Idol, ang oras natin ay 7:55.
That time check was brought to you by Bingo Plus. Bingo sa saya, plus sa panalo.
This time check is brought to you by Megacent Herbacent. Dama ang bawat haplos, amoy at ginhawa.
Sis, ganda ng hair. Naka-Empress. Impressively smooth, shiny, and healthy. With regular use. Naka-Empress? Nakaka-impress. Try mo na, sis. Be an Empress. For impressive hair, Empress Shampoo. With regular use.
Empress Shampoo. For impressive hair.
Para di madaling masira ang ngipin ng pamilya, ngayon pa lang,
Unique toothpaste for brushing every after kumain.
Dahil ang Unique toothpaste, may Max Protect formula.
Ngipin ay Max Alaga, Max Protektado pa.
Helps stop cavities even before they start, while keeping breath fresh with regular use.
Unique toothpaste for brushing, para siguraduhin. Ngipin ay Max Alaga, Max Protektado pa. Unique
Max Alaga, Max Protectado with Unique toothpaste maximum fluoride protection. Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing. ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS.
Exodus 18:21. But you choose from the people capable men, God-fearing men, men of truth, those who hate bribes, and put them over the people as rulers of thousands, rulers of hundreds, rulers of 50s, and rulers of 10s.
Ang mabuting balita ay hatid sa inyo ng MX3.
Oh, Bardok!
Mayor, magandang araw sa'yo.
Kamusta naman yung mga kabarangay mo?
Ay, Mayor, okay naman yung feedback nila, Mayor.
Talaga lang, ha? Dapat asikasuhin mo lagi mga kabarangay mo para lagi tayong iboboto.
Oh, Mayor.
Teka, ano bang sabi nila?
Sabi nila, Mayor, mabait ka daw.
Totoo yan.
Kasi, Mayor, ang bilis mo daw malapitan.
Totoo yan, Bardok. Kasi yun na naman talaga ang gusto ko. Ang magserbisyo sa kanila.
May problema, Mayor, eh.
Oh, ano problema?
Ang hirap mo daw hanapin.
Ay, narinig ko na yan!
This time check is brought to you by Everest Appliances. Health, wellness, energy saving. Everbest from Everest. Available in major appliance stores nationwide.
Bar Blue with powerful stain-away enzymes. Malupit magtanggal ng dumit mancha pero di masakit sa kamay.
Goodbye dumit mancha. Hello Bright Bar Blue. Isang labanan yan.
As tested and common in polycotton. Sa mancha, malupit. Sa kamay mo, mabait. Try Bar Blue. Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified. World-class quality.
ACS.
Nice shot, Dad! Thanks, Donnie. It's hard to be the fun dad kapag malabong mata. Kaya I visit EO Executive Optical for expert eye care and state-of-the-art facilities. Kasi pag mahal mo, aalagaan mo. So if you love your eyes, visit EO Executive Optical.
For expert eye care, come to EO Executive Optical. EO Executive Optical. Love your eyes.
Sa panahon ngayon, kau ba'y sigurado? Kau ba'y protektado? Ang pamilya ay i-shield mo. Laban sa bakterya, i-shield mo. Laban ng patibay, i-shield mo.
Shield Bath Soap. Patay ang 99.9% of bacteria and virus tested. Believe ang mga eksperto sa Philippine Nurses Association.
Sa sakit protektado, i-shield mo. Pamilya protektado, i-shield mo.
Shield Bath Soap, manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified, world-class quality.
Suwabe ang aroma. Sunflower Plus Coffee Mix. Suwabe ang lasa. Magaan pa sa bulsa. Sunflower Plus Coffee Mix. May kape ka na, may gamot ka pa. Sunflower Plus Coffee Mix. Mabibili sa mga butika.
Kung ako ang tatanungin, ano ang radyo mo? Ang sagot ko ay FM, ang idol kong FM. Sa tugtugan, sa tawanan ay
103.9.
No matter the decade, no matter the vibe, it's all here. From the electrifying anthems of the 80s to the unforgettable hits of the 90s. Your favorite hits of the 2000s, all the way to today's chart-topping tracks. Any generation, we got you. This is Eagle FM 95.5 for the love of music.
Electricity can't compare to what I feel when I'm with you. Oh, baby.
You're listening to Eagle FM 95.5 for the love of music. Easy listening Sunday.
This is All Radio 103.5 for all. All your favorite 80s hits. All in one place. Tune into All 80s and All Radio 103.5. Monday to Friday, 6 to 8 a.m. and 6 to 8 p.m. The best music from the 80s to start and end your day. Don't miss it, only on All Radio 103.5.
How much I love you.
Mahilig ka ba sa Tong Its o table card games? Tara na sa Game Zone. Sa Game Zone, you play a real game of Tong Its with real players for free. May chance pang makisplit ng over 34 million pesos and a chance to claim up to 14,640 pesos daily. May dalawang event araw-araw. G ka na ba? Visit gzone.ph today. Promo runs from January 1 to December 31, 2025. Gaming for 21 years old and above only. Keep it fun. Game responsibly. Visit pagcor.ph/regulatory or email keepitfun@pagcor.ph.
Ditay na ako sa di nakaka-stress. Game na game sa Game Zone. Visit gzone.ph. Real player, real game. This is 103.5 All Radio for all.
Ang True FM hit na ito ay hatid sa inyo ng
Arena Plus. Sa Arena Plus, astig sa sports. Download and play now at arenaplus.ph. Ang oras, 9:29.
Ang oras sa True FM ay hatid sa inyo ng
Technogas Technique. Technogas Technique Kitchen Appliances. Furnish your kitchen with Technogas Technique appliances. That's the Technogas Technique. Technogas Technique, your cooking partner.
Ang tambalang totoong matunog sa FM. Pinagsama ang dalawang henerasyon ng broadcast excellence sa radyo. Ed Payon, DJ Chacha, the country's broadcast icon and the queen of FM radio, bring you the true radio experience. Ed Payon, DJ Chacha, the True FM. Balita, informasyon, public service, entertainment, music, at araw-araw na inspirasyon para sa bawat Pilipinong naniniwala na radio is life. Lunes hanggang Biyernes, alas 6 hanggang alas 10 ng umaga. Ed Payon, DJ Chacha, True FM sa 105.9. Dito tayo sa totoo. Simulcast sa True TV, sa Signal Channel 19.
May bagong tahanan na ang Lotto. Simula December 31, 2024, mapapanood na ang 2 p.m., 5 p.m. at 9 p.m. editions ng PCSO Lottery Draw sa IBC 13 at DATV. Maaari ring ma-access ang live stream ng mga draws sa official PCSO website at FB pages. Gayon din sa YouTube channels ng PCSO, IBC 13 at DWAN 1206. Araw-araw, tumutok lang sa nag-iisang programang Lotto ng Bayan. Mga kalaro, araw-araw, let's play Lotto!
Kung nagre-reklamo ka sa bigat ng dala-dala mo, heavy load ba? Isipin mo kung gaano kabigat ang dala ng iyong ina para dalhin ka sa mundo. She never complained, or at least you never heard her complain. Diba? Because you were never a burden, never a weight she could not and did not want to carry. Kinaya ka niya dahil mahal ka niya.
Happy Mother's Day mula sa True FM.
Dito tayo sa totoo, tunay
Bayan, bayan, bayan!
Bilang Pilipino, hangad natin ang pagunlad ng bayan.
Responsibilidad natin ang bumoto.
Bumoto ng tama.
Bumoto ng tapat.
Kakampihin ninyo kami.
Pagbabantay sa balota.
Maghahatid ng kumpletong balita. Tamang impormasyon para sa tamang desisyon.
Nasa kamay natin ang kinabukasan ng bayan.
Tandaan, ngayong halalan, bilang Pilipino, bayan ang ipanalo!
Balita, impormasyon, public service, entertainment, music, inspiration. Totoo, tunay, tapat. Ito ang True FM sa 105.9. Dito tayo sa totoo. True Classics sa True FM.
That song was brought to you by
Knorr Chicken Cubes. Meaty sarap tinola na gusto ng lahat? Kaya! Basta luto mo yan with Knorr Chicken Cubes.
Gadget lang, gadget lang, gadget lang. Pura sa Love Radio.
That time check was brought to you by Dunkin, pasalubong ng bayan, and Knorr Sinigang. Ang simpleng pampakilig, Knorr Sinigang.
Alam mo ba, namutang ng butido si Sharon?
Ano na naman ang pinagkukumpul-kumpulan nyo dyan?
Kailangan pa bang i-memorize yan? Basic!
Kuya, ikaw ba yan? Uy, dinatilyong ipis ka na, Alex. Pero akala ko patay ka na. Inapakan ka raw. Hindi. Nalakin lang ako sa kusina. Namiss kita, kuya. Kailangan natin mabawi ang nawalang oras. Lahat ng 2 hours. Oo, Alex. I-celebrate natin ang
Cut pest story short. With Bygone Shield Defense Multi-Insect Killer, 100% knockdown when directly sprayed on cockroaches. 60 years of protecting Filipino homes.
Bygone. Stay safe during this dengue outbreak with Bygone.
Tignan sa ilalim ng cap o selyo ng Ginebra products at i-claim ang price sa partner outlets. Runs from March 15 to July 31 per DOH FDA CFR permit number 0017 series of 2025. Drink responsibly.
Ginebra, San Miguel, Gin is in. Gin to win. Gin's Panalo sa One Ginebra Nation. Promo runs from March 15 to July 31, 2025. Per DOH FDA CFR permit number 0017 series of 2025. Drink responsibly.
New hairstyle? Baka man-damage. Sagot ka ng Vita Keratin. Gandang hair, gandang salon lasting. Ganda para sa akin. Get salon lasting, smooth, shiny hair with regular use. 6.70 pesos lang based on SRP.
Get gandang salon lasting hair like Beanie with Vita Keratin.
ACS Milyones! ACS Milyones!
Mga misis, bili na kayo ng mga ACS products para may chance maging milyonaryo. Ito ang kombinasyon ng mga empty packs na ilagay sa entries nyo. 3 sachets ng Unique 10ml or 1 box ng Unique toothpaste any size. 3 sachets ng Pride powder 40 grams or 1 pouch ng Pride powder any size. 1 wrapper ng Pride bar 370 grams or 2 wrappers ng Pride bar 95 grams. 1 box ng Star Wax Floor Wax any size. 1 wrapper or 1 box ng Shield That Soap any size. 2 sachets ng Smart Liquid 50ml or 1 pouch ng Smart Liquid any size. 1 label wrapper ng Smart Paste any size. 1 sachet or 1 box ng White Rose Papaya with Vitamin B3 Soap any size. 3 sachets of Charm Fabcon 30ml or 1 pouch ng Charm Fabcon any size.
Pwede kang maging milyonaryo sa ACS Milyones!
Submission of entries is from May 4 to September 12, 2025. Grand draw is on September 20, 2025. See posters for details. Promo period is from May 4 to September 12, 2025. For DTI Fair Trade Permit Number FTB 221797, Series of 2025.
Pag 40s ka na, may high cholesterol o diabetes, maaaring magkulang sa B vitamins. Para may tulong panlaban, payo ni Doc Vanular with proper diet and healthy lifestyle.
Vitamin B complex is the generic name of Vanular. If symptoms persist, consult your doctor.
Vanular with not just 3, but 5 B vitamins. isulat ang inyong pangalan, age, address, contact number at signature sa isang papel. Ilagay sa white legal size envelope kasama ang proof of purchase. At sa labas ng envelope, isulat ang promo title, produktong ginamit at ang MBC station. Pwedeng ipadala o ihulog sa drop boxes sa MBC stations nationwide. DZRH, Love Radio, Yes FM, Easy Rock, Aksyon Radyo, and Radyo Natin. Kaya sali na! More than 9 million pesos ang pwedeng mapanalunan sa weekly draws and grand draw. Hatid ng Unique Toothpaste, Pride Detergent, Star Wax Floor Wax, Shield Bath Soap, Smart Dishwashing, White Rose Papaya with Vitamin B3, at Charm Fabcon.
Pwede kang maging milyonaryo sa ACS Milyones!
Submission of entries is from May 4 to September 12, 2025. Grand draw is on September 20, 2025. See posters for details. Promo period is from May 4 to September 12, 2025. For DTI Fair Trade Permit Number FTB 221797, Series of 2025.
Girls, every Filipino deserves the gentlest care down there. Bakit di enough yung nakasanayan na? Dapat PH Care. For every Filipino, narito ang gentlest care mo. PH Care na para sa delicate area. PH Care for every Filipina. Our gentlest care. PH Level 5. See for every Filipina. Gentlest care for every. Our gentlest care for every Filipina. Our gentlest care for your everyday freshness versus previous formulations with regular use. PH Care. PH Care. The feminine wash that has a safe pH level of 5. PH Care. Our gentlest care for every Filipina.
Want intense ang hang na fresh breath? Choose Close-Up Red Hot for intense freshness. Or suave at cool na fresh breath. Choose Close-Up Green Menthol for cool freshness. Mapa-intense fresh or cool fresh man ang hanap mo? Choose fresh. Choose Close-Up with regular use. Choose Close-Up.
Close-Up. Choose fresh. Choose Close-Up.
Madaming nagmamagaling. Pero alam mo kung sinong mas magaling? E di yung ikaw na mas nagtiyaga, mas kinalingan, mas naniwala. Kaya, just take your shot. Julia here for Tanduay Select. Kaya pa? Push pa sa galing. Take your shot. Select. Drink responsibly.
Kailangan pa bang i-memorize yan? Basic!
The radio, music that makes you feel good. Love Radio.
Magic 89.9.
See, baby, you're my little secret.
The beat.
You're my little secret.
The rhythm. Let the music take control.
If you're horny, let's do it.
Sunday Slowdown, a mix of smooth R&B, soul, and slow jams.
Charging you up to the rush of the work week ahead.
Sunday Slowdown
On Magic 89.9.
That energized song was brought to you by
MX3. Dito ako believe.
Energy FM. Energy.
Hi, Bangga. Ajuju.
Energy FM. Wag mo sabihin radyo. Wag mo sabihin radyo. Sabihin mo. Sabihin mo. Energy. Put. Putang ina mo. Gago ka. Gago ka. Gago ka. Radio. Kanta ang winning.